I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm freaking dynamite.
Oh,
I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them nothing kill my vibe.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. It's Krystle Lucretia. I'm back with a new video, and in today's video you can see I have a new hairstyle. However, I have not finished two in the middle because it was getting late and I just wanted to go to bed. So I thought I would run through how I get my passion twist. I got the hair with me. I've already got my part, whatever. I'm just doing two on camera, then I'm gonna go style it, then I'm heading out. So this time around I use this edge tamer by Eben. Don't really use it for passion twist, well, when I've done it before, but to be honest, that's the only edge tamer that I had, and it kind of does the same thing. As I've seen other videos, they usually use the shine and jam, but I didn't have enough to do my whole head, and because I wanted simultaneous results, I decided just to stick with the Eben edge tamer extreme hold or extra hold. One of the two does the same thing. So yeah, as you can see, I already got my part. I'm gonna add 2 strands of hair using one of these. So what I do, I push it into the parted section. I hope you guys can see. So I push it open into the parted section. I get the hair in grip. Then I put the hooked part literally underneath. I put the hair underneath the hooked part here. Then I close this. And I pull it through. And I just want one ends to come through, basically like this, but like 2 pieces on this side, 2 pieces on that side. Let's split my hair and make that a little bit tighter. I'm gonna put some more edge control gel in my fingers so that my hair can be a little bit stiff up. And let me try and make this even because this side is looking a bit thicker. Everyone has different kind of hair. In the middle of my hair, it's super thick and it's like the longest part, I would say, of my whole head. So it's usually the most difficult part to really get in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna twist each hand as I twist down. I'm gonna twist the part that I have in each of my hands, and I'm gonna twist down, twist and twist, and then I'm just gonna start twisting the main twist. And please feel free to so it should look like this. Feel free to dig back into your your edge control gel thing to make sure that your actual natural hair isn't sticking too much out. Yeah, and just keep on twisting down till you get to your desired length. I wish I would have got shorter hair because I was trying to go for kind of long bob short hair, but this was leftover hair from the times that I used to do passion twist before, and yeah, I just had to make do with what I have. So literally I have to cut the ends, and I don't like how the ends look when they're cut. Some of them come out nice, some of them come out with a little curl up on the end, but not all of them. So I just have to really judge from the other ones to see how far down I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna actually stop here. So for each twist you need 2 rubber bands, one for the parting, and then one for the ends. And that is just pretty much it with passion twists. Usually takes me about 3 hours in terms of like parting, like start to finish. And at the end, you put a little bit of mousse just to, you know, keep the style a little bit neat. And, you know, tame a little flyaways and stuff like that. So this is the one that I just did here. So I'm literally gonna cut here. Let's move on to the next one. This one here. So open clip. That's closed. That's open. Open clip. Push through part. Once it's secured, wear it here, this little loop here. Put it in the hook. Yeah. Close the loop. Pull it through. Yeah. What's going on there, mate? What's going on here? Oh, that wants to come through here. Make sure they're somewhat even. Then split your natural hair in two and tighten that. Twist and twist and twist. Twist. Rotate and twist down. Rotate and twist down. Rotate and twist down. Twist down. Rotate and twist down. Rotate and twist down. So make sure that's nice and tight. You finished your passion twist now. The YouTube and internet girlies said that we have to use a lot of body with coconut, shea oil, wrap me, foam and mousse. So just put that in my hand. You can put it also directly into the hair and just go through the hair. It smells good. Makes the hair smell gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous. Just put it through. You can also put it on the parts. Well, I also put it on the parts. I don't know if anyone else does that, but that's what I do. Put it on the actual twist, and then I put my headscarf on, just, you know, lock it down. But today we don't have time for not putting the headscarf on. Actually, no, we're gonna do that because I don't want no lifting. I do not want any lifting, so we are definitely gonna do that. Then let's move on to the baby hairs. Like, I go really simple with a lot of body mousse, but just for the purpose of this video, and today's quite warm, so we are gonna use some gel. Yeah, my little tamer. We are gonna use some Gorilla Snot, Tiny Peepin' Tom, a smidge, just a little smidge of some, just for the purpose of this video. I literally have minimal baby hairs out, so it shouldn't be too dramatic, but tonight I have to make sure I get this out, the gel out, because I'm trying to make this last, okay? So, ooh, we can do a little swirly there, a little minimal. Left out quite a bit of hair to do my, you know, my little curl and rose here. So we're gonna comb that gel through to the ends of the hair so we can get it to curl up. Okay. Oh, gorgeous. Okay. Yes, so we're gonna leave it like that. I try not to manipulate it too much so that we can get an authentic curl. So yeah, we're gonna leave that one like that. So that's what it's looking like so far. This side. Are we liking? It's very minimal because I'm in my early stages of this passion twist, like this hairstyle, so I don't want to do too much. I want all my baby hairs and the flyaways to actually stay within the twist and not to leave, because it's not eviction time yet and we are trying to let this keep a little longer than usual. And I can also give you guys a little bit of tips of how to keep your passion twists a little bit longer so they look seamless fresh. Because you know, twists don't really last long anyways, just because of the form of the style. Wear a headscarf every single night. You have to do that, otherwise you're just, you know, you're just racing against yourself. You just fight against yourself, basically. So you gotta, hold on, I'm trying to make this a little more dramatic, a little more cloth. Okay, we'll just leave it like that. Okay, let's move on to here. The other side has a bit more hair out, so we could have manipulated this a little bit more, but here's a bit more minimal, you know. Baby hairs are a bit like sisters. They're not quite twins. Like one side could be like boom boom boom, you know, and the other side can be just like boom boom, you know. It's not really giving twins, just like sisters. And I guess that makes it more, you know, authentic, well, in my case. So how to style this hair. My favorite go-to hairstyle is like having these two pieces out at the front, and then the rest of the hair either like we do a half up half down kind of thing, like this. Let me just try and give you guys the vision. Either we do half up half down like this, like this, or we do the two out at the front and then we make a bun with the rest of the hair. This version is more like when like the outside of the hair is already finished and you have like 2-3 more twists in the middle that need to be done, aka what I was doing. Then you like leave a little bit of like a hang down here, a little bit of a hang down. You can go once or twice with the hairband around, but it's just like this cute. It's just like so cute in the back. It just looks so cute. This is my go-to hairstyle. This is how I be going out on the streets. I love it. It looks so cute. Yeah, I just love this for myself. And then you can also have it down. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view. So hold on, like this. It's also cute. This is really cute. For me, there's too much dangling, so I'm just like, no. Just like try and be creative. Just rearrange. If something's not sitting right, just try and rearrange, obtain everything, you know. So I love this, and I feel like this braid is a little bit wonky, but kind of gives it some depth. I wish it was like a bit juicy and, you know, fat like this one, but it's not. But still, I think it's quite cute with the baby hairs and stuff like that. I love it. So guys, I'm gonna head out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys get a bit of inspiration in terms of doing your passion twist. I hope it was easy to follow along, see what I'm doing. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Let me know if you want any more like hair, beauty focused videos for the next video, because I think these are easier to do. Like, guys, I can't do travel content all the time. It makes me sad. But soon. All right guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.